What if I told you there's a website that will literally pay you up to $400 for turning videos into 15-second Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts? Now, sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I actually tried it out myself, and in this video, I'm about to show you how you also can start earning using this particular website without having any subscribers, without having any TikTok account, Instagram account, or YouTube account. You can literally create a brand new account today, post your 15-second video tomorrow, and you immediately start getting paid. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Jones, and on this particular channel I share different methods on how you can make money online by simply creating various types of content. Now, without further ado, the particular website is the one you are seeing right now on the screen. But before we get into the nitty-gritties of the entire website, allow me just to share this success story that someone shared by the name of Matt, and you can see right here it was just posted 3 hours ago. Now, from this post, we can see right here that just from 10,000 views that have been generated with a 15-second short, this particular person has earned $546.20, and they've been paid out already. So this is an opportunity for everyone, and there's no excuse not to try this out, because this particular website is available on both mobile and desktop devices. So all you have to do is come to this particular website. Link will be down in the description, but don't rush to go to the website. Allow me to finish explaining so that you actually make the most out of this particular website. So the website name is known as warp.com. Now, right here, let me go to how you view it, because I'm already logged in. That's why you are seeing it a bit different. So here is the actual website, and this is what you should get if you are visiting the website as a new visitor. Now, here you can see saying the Make Money app, and all you have to do is click right here where it says sign up. Now, from here, all you have to do is either choose how you want to sign up. You have different methods. You can sign up with your email. You just enter your email right here and click continue. You choose a password and the likes. The other options is that you can sign up with Discord, your Gmail, your Twitter, and also your Apple ID. You can choose any of these. I think the easiest one is just to simply log in with Google. Now, once you are logged in, you will be brought to your members area or the dashboard. Now, you might get something a bit different, because I actually logged in, or maybe have already joined some different groups on the platform. Now, don't worry if your dashboard looks a bit different and the likes. You will be able to find each and every button that I'm going to show you. So all you have to do right here on the left side is to find this button which says the discover option. Now, if I click right here, it will bring us to a page where we can find different things on the platform, which is warp.com. Now, from here, what you want to do is make sure that explore is selected. Now, here you see the option which says content rewards. Now, here on the content rewards, what happens is that there are people on the platform, or there are companies on the platform that are actually paying out people to clip their videos. Now, people like, let's say for example, if you know Dean Gracios, they actually want other people to clip their platforms to help them go viral or to reach out to a massive audience. So what they do is that they come to warp.com, and they maybe have this long form video, and they'll give it out, and they'll set a minimum price rate that they'll pay out to anyone who actually clips their content, and they'll pay out pay view. So here in the content rewards, everything you are seeing under the content rewards section is actually a promotional or a type of content that you can actually clip or create a 15-second video and be paid out for when you get views. And the good thing is that you can choose which platforms to use or to post your 15-second video on. Now, for example, you see, like, let's say for example, here is Sami Clips right here, and you can even see the budget. Like for Sami Clips, currently the budget has been finished. However, they often renew the budget. They'll often again add more money if they see that the actual program is profitable for them. So what I want you to do when you come to this platform right here, you would want maybe to click right here where it says show all. And the reason you want to do this is you want to see all the content rewards programs that are available. And from here, you can actually click on what says most paid out. Now, the reason you want to click on most paid out is because you want to join programs that will actually pay you. Now, not all the programs will easily let you in, but the majority of them will instantly approve you. Some of them will require you to also maybe show proof that you've actually already have an account. Now, most of them don't require that. And what I encourage you to do, first and foremost, you want to join this one right here known as Leuteka. I'll put a link in the description for you to actually join. So this one, Leuteka, the Grazios. Now, also it depends with the niche you'd want to target, but what I encourage you to do, don't think much of the niche. We want to make as much money as possible. You can create multiple accounts and post different clips of this. Create 15-second videos. I'm going to show you how to do it. So let me look at maybe an example of how you join. So let's say, for example, you can see this one, which is Chase Chapel clips. You can see Chase Chapel is paying $2 per 1,000 views. So if we click right here, and you can see the platforms, the options we have, they show you that it's Instagram and TikTok. So if you want to create for these two platforms, you can create the same, let's say 15-second video and post it on Instagram and on TikTok. And if it generates views on Instagram, on TikTok, they combine the views. That's the advantage of this particular method. There's no excuse not to actually do this. All you have to do is, let's say, click on Chase Chapel right here, and all you have to do is click right here where it says join the clipping option. So if I click right here, for example, you can see, and the good thing is that they are free. All of these are free to join. So you can see, like for Chase Chapel, there's no requirement for me to submit any questionnaire, answer any questionnaire and the likes. I'm already joined, and you can see right here I've joined, and this is how it now looks like inside the group or the members area for the clipping campaign that I've actually joined. And you can see the budget is still available. It has a total budget of $5,000, and 11 days are still left to complete this same campaign. So all you have to do is, when you are inside the area, members area, just click on it and you see the rules that are needed for you to follow. So they'll give you the assets. Now, like I already mentioned in the beginning, there is no need for you to start creating your own content. Here you are just turning long form videos into 15-second videos or more. You can even create a 30-second video. It's not a must that it just has to be 15 seconds, but the minimum required is 15 seconds. And for some, you might discover the minimum required might be more, but the majority of them, after spending some time on this platform, I've discovered is at least 15 seconds. So all you have to do right here, you can see where they show the assets folder. So in the assets folder, you can find different content. And like, for example, here is a video. Like for this one, the Chase Chapel, here is a YouTube video that we can make clips of. So all you have to do is, let's say you download this particular video. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire process of, let's say, downloading and the likes. Now, you will be required to follow the content guidelines in order for them to actually pay you. Now, before they actually pay you out, you will need to link the account you'll be posting the content on. I'm going to show you that in a second. Let's go back to maybe the discover option. I show you another platform. There's more on how you can make money with this platform actually, apart from the content rewards. There's also what they call the bounties option. So now here on the, you can see the leaderboard right here. When you click right here, you see here where it says bounties available. You'll find different options to actually make money from those clips. Okay, so you just click right here where it says bounties available, and from here you see different options where you can actually make money from it. For example, this one is paying $1 per 1,000 views. This one is paying 250. Now let's go right ahead here. Has a few clips. Let me go right ahead and click on it so you can see how it's done. So if we go right ahead, you can see the instructions that are required. So now this bounty, the requirement was that you post the content. Let me go right ahead and click on it. I think I've already seen it. The requirement was that you post content for 30 days about from Phil, meaning you clip the video, you clip his video and maybe clip a lot of his videos, and you have to post every day for 30 days. And just doing that, even if you don't get any views, you'll be paid this $250. And all is required is submit the account where you'll be posting the content on right here, and after the 30 days you will be paid out this 250. Now if your content also gets views, you will be paid out for like this one. The Hustle with Phil campaign is paying out 0.5 per 1,000 views, and you are allowed to post to Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. So meaning that if you post on all these 3 platforms and you get views on all of them, the views will be combined, and from those views they will pay you out 0.5 per 1,000 views. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Now I don't want to prolong this video, just wanted to explain this opportunity with you so that you get it. And if you want me to do a detailed video on how, let's say maybe you can edit the video, how you can edit the shorts and the likes, you can let me know and I might do a follow-up video. Thank you very much for watching.